Go 6 months. Too early for potty training. Babies don't yet have control over bowel or bladder. Focus only on feeding, burping, and diapering. 6-12 months. Some parents try. Elimination communication. Watching babies. Cues and placing them on a potty. But full potty training is usually not practical yet. 12-18 months. Baby may start recognizing when they are pooping, stopping activity, making faces, or going to a corner. You can introduce the potty chair gently. Let them sit on it, clothed at first to get familiar. 18-24 months, 1.5 to 2 years. Most babies show readiness signs around this time. Staying dry for 2+ hours. Telling you when they need to poop or after they've gone. Disliking dirty diapers. Following simple instructions. This is the ideal time to start poop training, for 4 to 36 months, 2 to 3 years. Majority of children learn poop training during this stage. By 3 years, many are trained, though accidents are still normal. Tips for poop training. Start when your child shows signs of readiness, not by the calendar. Keep potty in a visible, easy place. Let the child watch you flush so they understand. Praise and encourage. Avoid punishment. Use books, songs, or stories about potty to make it fun. Don't rush. Forcing too early can cause resistance or constipation.